Apple Event 2024, AI-powered visual search arrives to iPhone. Apple announced at its Glow Time 2024 event that visual search will soon be integrated into the iPhone, powered by Apple Intelligence, the company's suite of AI capabilities. The new camera control button on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will enable a feature called Visual Intelligence. This tool combines reverse image search with text recognition to provide enhanced search functionality. For example, if you use Visual Intelligence to search for a restaurant, it will display the restaurant's hours, ratings, menu options, and even provide the ability to make a reservation. Visual Intelligence will launch alongside other Apple Intelligence features in beta for US English language users in October. Users in other countries can expect the feature to become available in December and into early 2025. Visual Intelligence allows you to instantly learn about everything you see, Apple's Craig Federighi said during the Apple 2024 event today. Moreover, Federighi said the feature is enabled by Camera Control, which is the company's name for a new capacitive camera button that's now on the side of the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models. To trigger it, users are required to click and hold the button, then point the phone's camera at whatever they're curious about.